All right, we got Gary here at Siesta Key, Sarasota, checking my lake, which isn't doing too good.
There we got the deep spot.
He's going to check it.
What I want to do is make sure I'm not getting testing right on the shoreline. That's where we're going to see most of our nutrients.
Okay.
So I've got one bottle here and then another bottle in my pocket. I'll take a surface sample, open the bottle up, test the top of the water. And then this guy, I'm going to actually put it under the water while it's still sealed. Go about 2 feet down and then open up the bottle and let that water come in. So that's going to give me a little bit of variation so I can tell the difference between what's on the top and maybe a little bit more of what's in our muck layer. It might be the cause of the cloudy water here.
Nice, man. Good job. Yeah, I called him if he'd come over and look at this. I just don't know what to do with it. The lake's really changed colors the last few months. So he was kind enough to come over here from the other coast and see if he can help me out.
See, when you're doing this, if you're ever doing this for yourselves, guys, notice how I'm taking my sweet time. I always take my time. But why I'm doing this right now and not just sticking my hands down 2 feet below, taking a sample, is because by walking, I'm disturbing that muck layer, right? Now I can see which way the water's flowing, and because of this awesome little fountain my boys built right here, but I'm letting that cloudiness drift by me, because you're gonna have a lot of nutrients in that suspended muck right there. It's all about the accuracy of your tests. Personally, I don't sit there and do a drop test or anything like that. I send off to my lab in Georgia. But yeah, guys, if you ever need some advice on some of it, and I don't know the answer, some of this stuff I had to ask my homie Amy, my limnologist, because back in Kansas, I'm more of a soil scientist when it comes down to it. Taking tissue samples and soil samples wasn't my job to go around testing lakes necessarily. Of course, I did a lot of extensive testing on rivers and creeks like back in my research days, but yeah, after that it was kind of more of an earth thing. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave this sealed and go about 2 feet down. You don't want that 2 feet to be in the muck layer. And then we're going to open it up. See those bubbles come out because the water went in. And that's going to be our graph sample. So you got your surface sample and your graph sample. Easy peasy, right?
Nice.
Awesome. You guys have a good Sunday.